What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the notifications not working properly in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon, and when you will click on this restart icon here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone may fix the small software glitches like notifications not working or any other glitches. Now after restart, if you are still having the issue, then the next solution is check notifications settings. So for that, open settings. Now scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now here click on notification sound, and from here make sure the sound is set to high, and I will prefer you to choose the default notification sound. And after that go back and tap on notifications, and from here tap on app notifications. Now from here make sure you have allowed the notifications for the apps, and after checking the notification settings, if you are still having the issue in receiving notifications, then the next solution is reset all settings. So for that, open settings again, scroll down, and here click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on reset here to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings including the notification settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone, and after that the notifications not working issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.